Okay, here's our video on solving equations with multiplication and division. So we already solved equations with addition and subtraction. Let's try multiplication. So again, when we did expressions, we know that when there's a number next to a letter, it's multiplication. This means 4 times a number. Keep that in mind. All right, so the 4 is called the coefficient, and the m, in this case, is a variable. So if we had an equation like this, 4m equals 12. We know there's 2 sides to this equation because it's separated by the equal sign, right? And we want to do the opposite operation to get m, or the variable, all alone. Okay? Now this could also have been, you could have also written it this way. It's the same thing. Doesn't matter. So when you see something like this, we want to do the opposite operation. The opposite of multiplication is division, so they cancel out. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. 12 divided by 4 equals 3, and 3 is m. So remember, that's division. See if you can do this one. 20 equals 5m. Okay? Again, do the opposite operation. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So m equals 4, or 4 equals m. Okay. Here is a division equation. Now with division, this is saying a number divided by 3. You can also see it like this. M divided by 3 equals 5. And what you're actually doing, you want to do the opposite operation. So instead of division here, we want to multiply the 3. So again, if you can see, 5 times 3 will give us our answer. So you're basically just multiplying the bottom number with whatever the answer is, the quotient. The answer to division is the quotient. So here you would have m equals 15. Let's check. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So just you multiplied 3 times 5 to get that answer. Okay, so sometimes you might see division like this. 12 equals r divided by 9. And that could be changed to this. R divided by 9 equals 12, and we just multiply up. Right? 9 times 12 is 108. And 108 divided by 9 is 12. That's how we check. See if you can do this one. Okay? Well, if we do the inverse of division, we multiply 18 times 3, we'll get our answer. Right? You can also see it like this. And you're just multiplying. You're actually, so m is going to equal 18 times 3, which will give us our answer of m equals 54. And we can check. 54 divided by 3 is 18. Let's try a word problem now. You are giving your friends the same number of cards, and each friend gets 11 cards. So let's write a multiplication equation. How can we write a multiplication equation for this? You're giving your friends 5 cards, and they're getting the same number. So here's the 5 friends, and we can put F for friends, or any letter. We can actually put C for cards. And we know that they're all getting 11 cards. And 11 times 5 we know is 55. So we just made a multiplication equation. Let's check to see if we get 11. We just divide the 5 on each side, and we can see that F equals 11. Okay. What would you do with a question like this? This is a multiplication equation, right? Divide out the 15. Whatever you do to one side, do to the other. And F here equals 15. Good job.